Stop listening to bad advice that will cost you money. Please do not listen to other YouTubers who tell you that you must pluck out more hairs on your parting line to make it look more natural. What they don't make clear to you is the fact that they get free hair from China every week and they can afford to waste a closure. Just look at what happened to one of our new clients. Sadly, too many people have taken this useless advice and have ended up out of pocket. But I know it's not going to be you because you are watching this video. I love hearing from you. Comment below and tell me, what is your opinion on this matter? Has this ever happened to you before? And even if it's not happened to you before, I'll still like to know, what do you think about all these issues? I read and reply to all comments. I look forward to speaking to you there. Plucking your hairline more than how it came will definitely lead to shedding. When our factory workers make our closures, they special knot the closures around the parting line. You will not know this because it's very hard to see. I don't even think you can see it, can you? That's why when you start plucking your closures, your hair starts to shred because the strands that guarded it has been removed. There is nothing to protect it. There's nothing to guard it from shedding. So hence the reason why you get loads and loads of hair coming out of your lace and you're thinking, oh, this lace is a bad quality, but it's got nothing to do with the quality of the lace. It's the mere fact that you have plucked it where you shouldn't have been plucking in the first place. Something to think about next time you hear bad advice.